Waking up tired? Feeling low on energy even after breakfast? Then it's time for a powerful morning upgrade. Today, I'm diving into 5 energizing, nutrient-rich breakfast ideas designed to combat weakness, fuel your body, and help you start your day feeling strong, focused, and full of life. Let's kick things off with a banana almond smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 1 cup of milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, a few soaked almonds, and a pinch of cinnamon. Bananas give instant energy, while almonds offer healthy fats and protein to fight fatigue. Bonus tip: add chia seeds for an extra boost of omega-3s and fiber. Next up, sweet potato paratha with yogurt. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs and vitamin A. Make a simple paratha with mashed sweet potato and whole wheat flour, lightly pan-cooked with ghee. Serve it with plain yogurt for added probiotics and protein. This combo helps replenish iron, energy, and gut health. Third on the list, dates and nut mix with warm milk. Soak 5 dates and blend them with warm milk. Add crushed walnuts and a pinch of turmeric or cardamom. Dates are natural energy boosters, rich in iron and potassium. Perfect if your weakness is due to anemia or low energy levels. Now let's talk about a paneer or tofu sandwich. Use whole grain bread, layer it with grilled paneer or tofu slices, tomatoes, and mint chutney. Paneer and tofu are great sources of protein and calcium, crucial for muscle strength and recovery. Tip: add a side of fresh fruit like orange or papaya for extra vitamin C. Finally, ragi porridge with jaggery and milk. Ragi, or finger millet, is loaded with calcium, iron, and complex carbs. Cook it into a porridge with milk and a bit of jaggery. This keeps you full and energized for hours, great for people recovering from weakness or low appetite. Don't let weakness define your day. Fuel your mornings the right way. These breakfasts are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to bounce back stronger. Stay tuned for more energy-boosting tips and meals from Nutrivia.